Top of the morning, fam. We're on a journey today. We're on a hunt to find the remaining missing pieces for this car. Why? Because your boy has a video shoot that we're gonna do, and yeah, I gotta have this car ready. So I have a list. I have a list that I made together. Look at this clapped. So should I leave it in or should I take it out? So yeah, on the list, I'll show you guys the list right now. But basically, I've been driving this car and I want it to be presentable. It is presentable, don't get me wrong, but I really want it to be very nice. So I had to get stuff like this. All the missing pieces to the car, which is just a couple exterior things. I can't forget this, and I already did. You see why that makes that noise? It's because of this. This is the list we got to knock out today. We got rear window trim, fog lights, question mark, because if I don't find good condition ones, then we're good. Door handle cover, rear bumper trim, detail, rim caps. I only got 3, so I'll just put 2 on for one side, so you know. Kidney grill, and walk around the car and just see how I like it. Video shoot is tomorrow. So we have a whole day. Not even a whole day. We have 12 hours to get all this done. But first, we gotta go all the way to Monrovia for the first junkyard. Which is wild, man. These cars used to be in every junkyard and used to be a dime a dozen. It used to be like at least 4 in every yard. Now, I have to drive 23 miles to find one. And I hope it has the parts. You guys will see when we get there. On the road again. What is that noise? I've never been to this one. So let's see what it has in store for us. I probably shouldn't be bringing this car to the junkyard, but wait, what? I guess we go this way. Yeah, these seats are pretty mint, bruv. All right, so this trunk, I should probably take this too. Probably. This trunk has not been opened, so I suspect the tools in there are there. And the thing is, since it's not open, we can't get in. So what we're gonna have to do is this one's pretty sad. R.I.P. Looks freshly repainted too. Damn. With the blue interior. With the blue interior and the classic tape deck. Yeah, this is an Alpine. We've been running around all day. It's currently, what is that, 6:30, 5:30? But yeah, she's back from detail. She is looking mighty fine, mighty clean. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the button up stuff. And yeah, I don't know if I'll take you guys along, but if I do, I'll see you over there. I'm gonna head to Dave's and just do the window trim and whatnot. Damn, I forgot to stop at AutoZone. I just got back from AutoZone. My side markers never work because if you can kind of see, it's pretty. One second, fellas. Okay, so you can kind of see that. Yeah, I must have dragged it on the ground and it broke it. So it broke it. So I replaced it with a new one, fellas, and I wired it in. So now, I just got back from AutoZone with these bulbs. It's my first time ever putting new bulbs into this bulb socket. And this should illuminate, I think. Oh. Yes! Look at that! Oh. Alright. See if you guys can see the back from back there. There we go. Yay! Finally gonna have them all working, man. They look so good when the side markers are on. Readjust the bumper. So this tab, I can never get it right, and it always falls out. So I'm just gonna like bend it flat. The thing about these bros, they're so fragile. Oh shit! Don't press so hard, bro. Be easy with it. Here goes the test. Hey, boy! Duck with your boy, bruh. Duck with your boy, bruh. Kill these lights real quick. Kill these lights real quick. Bro, fucking drug dealer. That's how it looks. It just looks like, you know, if this car turn around and start pulling up and driving slow, you're like, hey, who that nigga now that car?
Man, ain't nobody even out here. I don't even know why I'm tripping. If I want to mess with the smoke, dog. Hey, who is that?
It ain't them niggas that act hard.
Oh, shit!
Damn. This is a car. This is a car I would see on the internet. Just be like, damn, that's a really nice car. Now this is my car. You know how you just hop on Google Images, type in E34? Like, that's what I'm talking about. Like an example, you're like, damn, that car's really nice. Now I look at this, every time I look at it, it's just picture a Google image. It's like, what I'm trying to say is I can't believe this is my car. It ain't the prettiest, but it's mine. Alright, I got one more bumper trim in the rear with the light, and then we're good. Yeah. Good work, son. Good work, son. Watch this though. Okay, right there. Got it. Nope, no I don't. Damn it. Whatever, I can do a handstand. I was looking at this last night and I was like, man, I didn't really do shit. So today we're gonna knock out side skirt. We already knocked out the detail. Okay. Rear bumper trim, that's gonna be easy. And the rear window trim, knock that out. Door handle, knock that out. And yeah. God. I ain't sleeping till late yesterday, which was probably a bad idea. Alright, we got like 3 hours to finish all the rest of the shit, so I'm gonna go get some blue tape so I can put the windshield trimming on and then just have it in place, and then yeah, I need to focus and get this shit done. So let's do it. Alright, let's do an update. Where we at? Let's see, where are we? Fog lights, no. Rear window trim, yes. Door handle cover, rear bumper trim. Rim caps, no. Kidney grills, side skirt. Overall look of the car. Plate filler. Alright, today's a great success. Great success. So yeah, I'm just gonna go do the video shoot now, see how that turns out. Probably shoot behind the scenes and then show you guys the actual video. Don't know how it's gonna play out, but I'll update you guys as we go. Alright, thanks for coming along with me as I put the parts back together, but damn, this thing looks sweet. It's overall a very nice car. There's some spots where it needs a little bit of love, but right now, alright, thanks again. See you guys next time. But yeah.